The average Texan throws away $1,700 every year by not having these on their roof. But what's even crazier? The government is literally begging to pay for almost a third of your solar system right now. I'm talking a check with your name on it for thousands of dollars, and most Texans have no idea it exists. Welcome to Texas Solar Secrets, where today I'm exposing how you can legally grab up to 30% off your solar installation with one form, and then stack even more savings on top of that. Imagine turning that relentless Texas heat, the same heat that spikes your summer electric bills, into your personal money-making machine. A standard $25,000 solar system drops to just $17,500 after this one federal program I'm about to reveal. And that's before tapping into exclusive Texas incentives most installers never mention. In this premiere episode, we're diving into the single biggest money saver available to virtually every Texan considering solar, the federal solar tax credit. But don't mistake this for some tiny write-off. For a typical family, we're talking about enough cash back to buy a decent used car or fund a luxury vacation to Cancun. After today's federal goldmine, we'll show you how to legally shield your new solar investment from property tax hikes. We'll uncover hidden city rebates that slash thousands more in places like Austin and San Antonio. We'll extract maximum value from utility companies like Encore and CenterPoint, who don't exactly advertise their solar programs. And critically, we'll crack the code on getting paid top dollar when you send excess power back to the grid, something most Texans get completely wrong. Let's cut to the chase. The crown jewel of solar savings, the federal solar tax credit, officially called the Residential Clean Energy Credit. This isn't some complicated loophole. It's a straightforward 30% off your entire solar investment, straight from the federal government. When I say 30%, I mean exactly that. 30 cents of every dollar you spend comes back to you. On a $25,000 system, that's $7,500 staying in your bank account, not Washington's. And here's what makes this exceptional. There's no dollar limit cap on residential solar. The bigger your system, the bigger your credit. Now, what exactly counts toward this magical 30% credit? Virtually everything in your solar project. Your solar panels and batteries? Obviously covered. All the crucial equipment, inverters, wiring, mounting hardware, and specialized racking, all of it counts. This is huge for Texans specifically. Battery storage. After those winter storms left thousands in the cold and summer outages during peak heat, adding backup power is a no-brainer. Systems with at least 3 kilowatt-hours capacity qualify for the same 30% credit. That's thousands off your battery right there. Want to harness the sun for hot water too? Solar water heaters with proper certification also qualify. And don't overlook this. All labor costs count. Site preparation, professional installation, permits, inspections, developer fees, it all factors into your 30% calculation. Even the sales tax you pay on components typically counts toward your credit total. Those extra percentage points add up fast. So who qualifies for this solar payday? Let's break it down. You need to own your solar system, not lease it. If you go the lease route or sign a power purchase agreement, the company typically claims this credit instead of you. We'll dive into buying versus leasing in a future episode, but this alone is a massive reason many Texans choose to purchase outright. The system must be installed on your primary or secondary residence in the United States. There are special considerations for rental properties we can address if needed. And importantly, this applies to new first-time installations only. You can't claim the credit for used equipment or second installations. Here's the beautiful simplicity of a tax credit versus a deduction. This is dollar-for-dollar tax reduction, not just reducing your taxable income. If you owe $10,000 in federal taxes and qualify for a $7,500 solar credit, you'll only pay $2,500 to the IRS. That's real money staying in your pocket. And if your credit exceeds your tax liability, no problem. Any unused portion carries forward to future tax years while the credit remains in effect. The government essentially gives you an IOU you can cash in later. That's incredibly valuable flexibility, especially for retirees or those with varying income levels. This is critical information. Thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act, the full 30% credit is locked in through the end of 2032. That's several years of maximum savings potential. After that, it begins stepping down, 26% in 2033, then 22% in 2034. The credit is currently set to disappear completely after 2034 unless Congress extends it. While that seems far off, locking in that full 30% now means thousands more in your pocket versus waiting. Claiming your thousands in solar savings is surprisingly straightforward. You'll use IRS Form 5695, residential energy credits, filed alongside your regular tax return. You'll claim it for the tax year when your system was placed in service, when it was fully installed and operational. My biggest tip to you is that you should document everything meticulously. Keep all contracts, invoices, and receipts showing eligible costs. Your solar installer should provide a detailed breakdown specifically for this purpose. And while this is designed to be user-friendly, a quick consultation with a tax professional can ensure you maximize every dollar of credit you deserve. Here's where Texas solar owners get truly savvy. This federal credit is just your foundation, your first 30% off. But in Texas, you can stack additional incentives like a master strategist. In our upcoming episodes, we'll reveal how Texas law protects you from property tax increases when adding solar, potentially saving you thousands more over the life of your system. So do me a favor, click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode in our Texas Solar Secrets series. In less than an hour of total viewing time, I guarantee you'll discover how to save thousands more than your neighbors on identical solar systems. Do you have questions already about the federal IDC or anything else solar-related in Texas? Drop them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you're most curious about. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next episode.